Now I will ask it to write a screenplay. Screenplay means suppose you wanted to make a video and for that you need a screenplay. So I will just ask, I am going to make a video on the topic. What? What the topic is? Information literacy and the role of librarians. Okay. Uh, can you help me in drafting a nice screenplay? Okay. It should mention what all background music and pictures required in the video. The length of the video is maybe 10 minutes. Okay. That's all. Give a title also. Navigating the sea of knowledge, information literacy, and the vital role of librarians. Opening scene: a serene library with the soft lighting and rows of books. Gentle instrumental music plays in the background. Narrator: in today's digital age where information is abundant yet often overwhelming, the importance of information literacy cannot be overstated. That's a narration. Cut to various shots of people staring at computer screens, scrolling through endless pages of information, looking perplexed. So, like that it goes. You can see it is for 10 minutes. So, naturally, it will have it says required background music, soft instrumental music, uplifting and empowering music. So, like that, required visuals, scenes of serene libraries, shots of individuals navigating through. All those are listed also there. Okay, so nicely, if it is there, no, you can easily go ahead with and see once you get this type of a skeleton, we can easily what is that add more flesh into that and generate a wonderful video. Okay, so that's it. Then comes academic assistant in teaching and learning how we can use it. So what I will do is I will jump onto ChatGPT 4 from there. Let us start. So see, it is much of the there is some difference is there. That's where what I wanted to say. When I changed to ChatGPT 4, there is lot of changes have happened. In the sense that they are little difference is there, which actually for which they are taking money. Okay. In ChatGPT 4, what is happening is people say it has got eyes in the sense here there is a button which was not there earlier. When it was 3.5, it was not. You can upload files into this. It can be an Excel file, it can be a PDF file, it can be a picture, and based on that, you can ask questions. Okay, that is why people say ChatGPT 4 has eyes. Okay, it can answer based on pictures. Then this it also can go to the internet. It has the facility to browse the internet and get you answers. So even though it is not fed with the information, it will try to go to the internet and try to find out some sort of answers. Then also along with that, you can see here DALI. DALI is actually a designing software. It can draw pictures, analyze, and it has a limit of 40 messages in 3 hours. You can go up to 40 messages only. Okay. So that is another thing. So some limitation is there. Okay. And also it has these GPTs, extra GPTs, whereas the other don't have it. If it is the other one, no, if you have subscribed for only 3.5, you won't get it. No subscription free. In that, these are not there. Okay. So ChatGPT 4, we are going to ask a question about what it is. I already have prepared certain questions. I will come. Uh, Generating a teaching plan. You wanted to teach something, so you need a teaching plan. So how will you do that? For example, you wanted to teach. I wanted to teach English grammar. Grammar. I will say what is that? Mm, Past tense. English grammar. Initially, I will say initially past tense and its variations. Variations. Okay. Please provide me a proper teaching plan. It also should mention all the requirements, requirements of materials like chalk piece or board, all those things. Materials. Let us see. Spelling error is there. I'm just ignoring it. Lesson plan overview, past tense in English grammar, target audience, beginners to intermediate English learners. I should have actually told that this is for 10th standard students or PG students, something like that. Okay, so so learning object, target audience is there, learning objectives is there, duration, it is total 5 sessions of 1 hour each. Teaching methodology is interactive teaching with a blend of direct instruction, practice exercises, group work, and real life application. Then required materials are these things and session breakdown, introduction to past tense, objective, activities, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, consolidation and review, assessment. How will you do? Even assessment also is there. Okay. Now, all of a sudden you can ask, can you provide me 10 MCQs based on this. So based on that, I need some MCQ, multiple choice questions based on the earlier, whatever I have taught. Okay, so it is given. What is the simple past tense form for verb right? Which sentence in it? So that's enough. No, you understood. Even that also can be easily generated. Okay. You can stop it here. You can just click on that, so it will stop. And here there is an option to read it aloud. You can copy the entire thing, the entire output. You can copy. You can ask it to regenerate. Suppose you didn't like this, no, you can either go. Yeah, here there is a button. When you click here, you can just edit it. This question you can edit it and then save and submit means it will regenerate. Question, change the question and do it. Whereas this is simply to regenerate it. And if you don't like the answer, you can just click on this, saying that it's a bad response. Okay. So anyway, it's a good response only. Now I will ask, I wanted to make a study guide on, what is that? English grammar within bracket past tense, which I would like to share with my students. It should have, yeah, I am not elaborating it. Let us see what it will give. So it has given a big heading, table of contents, understanding past tense, what it is. So just you need to have see if you are not happy with that definition, select that area and ask it to elaborate on that. Okay. So everything is says was plus where plus past present participle. Okay, key uses examples. Okay, here I will say simple past tense. Yeah, understanding the past tense. Can you elaborate on something? If you say no, it will actually will elaborate it. So every aspect you can take up and then ask it to elaborate. So naturally, you can bring in a very good MS Word file convert that you can convert into a PDF and share with your students. That is possible. Okay. Now that is done. And now comes a PowerPoint presentation. I wanted to make a PowerPoint presentation on the topic. My regular topic is information literacy and the role of librarians. Okay, that's it. Uh, I need only 10 slides. Okay, full stop. In each slide, comma, beyond the title, comma, I need 4 points. Okay, that's it. Points only. Elaboration we can do later on. Let us see. So slide height title is there. 4 points it is giving, but I should have given only five. Anyway, okay. So I am just saying I want to take this to PowerPoint. Best way is to have a VBA code for importing. VBA, Visual Basic Code. Okay, just see me what I am doing. Can you help me with a working code? So it is generating that VBA code, Visual Basic Code. Let me see how I can take it to PowerPoint. Sometimes it may not work. Still, I am trying. Too much of coding is there. Anyway, here there is a button copy code. You can just copy it and go back to PowerPoint. Start a new file. File, new, click over here. And in this, you can delete this and go to there is a button over here called a developer, okay, which in your case it won't be there. So to have it, you can come to file and go to options, come to this customize ribbon, and here you can see the developer. This tick mark is actually is the reason for that tab over here. If I remove it, it will what it disappear. So you have to put a tick mark over here. Okay, I will repeat it. Go to file, options, customize ribbon, and in this there should be a tick mark over here. In my case, it is there. Okay. Now in this developer, you can click on Visual Basic, click on Insert, Module, paste it. I will repeat. What I did is I clicked on Developer, Visual Basic, Insert, Module. Then I pasted whatever I have copied from there. After copying it, here there is a button. Run the sub or user form. I'm just clicking it. presentation created successfully. So it worked very well. In this case, you can see here where it is. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. You can see everything has been brought over there. All the things have been brought. How nice, no? It is very easy. Okay, so my prompt was proper. That is why it has come up. Properly it has come up. I was keeping to open. Yeah, this is it. You can see here. It has come up properly. Okay, it is telling me how to do it. Anyway, since I know it, I could do it very easily. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Um, Later on, you try this. Finally, one more thing. What is that? I can ask. I wanted some. What is that? Funny facts from the history of India. Okay, funny facts. It's not the serious things, but funny facts. This is how most of the small short videos that are coming in sorry, our YouTube and all you might have seen. People go and ask ChatGPT to give such fun things, and then they will put it in automated mechanisms where it will speak out. The text, if you give, it will be coming with a sound. Okay, we can do that. Text to audio is there. In that, you put there, and then some behind there will be some very good. What is that? Videos will be available and this sound will come and you can make shorts for 8 sorry some 30 seconds or 40 seconds like that and then upload it into you and now people are monetizing out of that. YouTube can be monetized, you should know that. Those who are having skills can do it. Okay, just generate content and upload into this. Okay, that's it. You can see the Mughal emperor who loved mangoes, the floating post office, the invention of shampoo, the Great Indian Laughter Challenge, chess, the disappearing lake of Rukund, the king's obsession with the destiny. So these are some of the trivia or okay. I will ask some trivia or puzzles, language puzzles. Okay. I need some five or two language puzzles. Okay. And check whether my answer is correct. So I'm asking for two language puzzles. Then I am a word of letters three and two and fewer that there will be word I am. Okay, that is the first. I am a word of letters three letter word and add two and fewer there will be add two and fewer there will be what word I am. I don't know. Oh, I really don't know. Next one, arrange the letters in the word astronomer to form a new word or phrase that is related to the original word. My God. I don't know. Answer me. Help me to get the answers. Okay, the answer to this riddle is few, where when you add the letters E and R again, it becomes fewer. Okay. Oh, astronomers is moon starer. My God. Anyway. That's it. So, enter this can be used for educational purposes. Okay. Now, I wanted to if you are doing a PhD work, I wanted to schedule my learning plan or a research plan. I wanted to have a proper research and learning plan for the next 2 years. Okay, please help me in designing it. So purposely, I am giving out a lot of use cases. Okay, this will help you. What all we can ask it. I will stop. No, no, no. I said this is not I want. Uh, I need the proper time plan. So I stopped it because its answer was going wrong. Earlier question it knows also. So it is C, foundation building month one. What you should say, identify and list the key topics, and then skills you need. 3 to 4, gather resources. Month two, you can begin fundamental studies. Month three, what you have to do. So within these 2 years, you will be able to complete your. So go by this plan. That's what it says. Okay. So that's it. Finally, I will stop it here and then delete it. I have designed a an online course. Okay, I wanted to have some what have there are spelling errors. I wanted to have some slogans for advertisements. The topic of the course is AI tools in academia and research. Okay, so I'm asking for some slogans for unlock academic excellence with AI, empower your research with next gen AI tools. See, it is giving nice. Okay, like this, you can ask for marketing content and all. So here, questions without any data I have asked. Now I will start with some. I will give some data and then I will ask it to provide answers based on that. There are many things I can ask. For example, I can ask it for a presentation and then the entire speech associated to that. Okay, you give me a proper speech based on the first you make the presentation, then ask later on you can ask for a proper content that I should deliver at the time of my presentation. Everything it will give. Okay, and next is data analysis and interpretation. Okay, so here what I am going to do is I have a some data. Okay, I will just check it whether it is available there. I will go to desktop. Okay, yeah. Here, data for registered final and graphics, some data, publications data. Let me see in this it is there or no, this one. Okay, here you can see here there is an Excel data. I actually could have copied and pasted the data, but here it is available as a picture. So I will just upload it and ask it to analyze that data. Let us see. Now this one, click here. I'm going to desktop, ChatGPT in accounts. Okay, and where is that picture? Yeah, this is the one. So you can see there is actually a table is there. I'm just opening it. I will ask read the uploaded data or picture, and when you are ready, comma, please let me know by saying I am ready. These are unnecessary actually. Ready. Okay, let us see. So it is reading, and then when it is ready, it will tell me that I am ready. I am ready. It has told. Okay. Can you explain what this data is about? So you can see the data appears to be about the distribution of institutions across age groups and whether they are located in rural or urban areas. Everything it gives. See, remember it is a picture only. Okay. So in fact, I was having another. Yeah, let me find out in between. I will just go to that. I wanted to have this one. Yes, here is that. So this is actually the data. The earlier one was a picture. Okay, so you can see how much it has returned based on that data. Okay. Then you can ask, can you analyze the data? It actually has analyzed the data. Still, can you find something more like that? No, if you ask, it will give further answers. Okay, I'm just deleting this, and now this time I am just asking it. Can you analyze the data in the following content? So I'm just going to paste it. Here actually you don't need a 4. Even in 3.5 you can do this. Okay, because you are going to paste it. So now I have to come to the next line. So in this, if you want to come to the next line, you have to press the shift key and press enter so that you are in the next line. Paste what you have copied from there. Okay, and then just send it. It already has copied it, the entire thing, and here it will start. It says this is what it is. Then it will analyze the data, and it says the table presents the data of opinions of research scholars regarding whether e-resources provide up-to-date information with a breakdown by gender. So everything it is giving. Okay, nice, no? So much easy it is. Okay, I will stop. I don't want to continue because we are wasting time by asking it. Now, how many of you know HTML coding? So, if you don't know HTML coding, no, we can use it for HTML coding. You did not know. If you don't know Python coding, but you should know what is that? What is that? What you should ask. Then only it is possible. So here I am trying to ask it for. Can you help me with an HTML code for having a marquee. Marquee means moving text. MARQUE, having text. Marquee, moving text, having the text that is welcome to my website. Okay, it is within inverted commas. The text moves from left to right. Okay, full stop. Its color, its size is H1 and color is white. Full stop. The background is black. So all these things I have given and it should generate the HTML code. Let us see. So this is the interface of developing the HTML code. It is giving me H1. Yes. So it has given me the HTML. Only thing is you should know how to convert it into an HTML file. What you have to do is go to Notepad, open Notepad, and then paste what you have copied, paste it, file, save as, On the desktop, you will say Marquee, that is the name, and dot HTML, that is a must. Name you can give anything. Dot HTML is a must. Keep it on the desktop, save it because you are actually converting the content into an HTML file. Let us see on the desktop. Here it is Marquee, and when I run it, you can see there's a black background on which from left to right content is coming, which is moving. Welcome to my website. That's the text that I have given there. Okay. So those who do not know HTML also can generate such coding. Okay. So that's it. Now come back again. Not this one. Yeah, that's it. Similarly, you can even generate Python coding. Python coding. Okay, Python is a high-end language with which you can do a lot of things, data analysis, data analytics, many things. Most of the current, what is that, scientific research, everything, Python they are using. In my university, they are using Python to a great extent. So here, I do not know Python at all, but still I am trying to use it for some purpose. Okay, generate Python code for uh, again generating random numbers. Okay, random numbers. Full stop. Initially, the system should ask me the lower range. So I want random numbers between two numbers. So a lower range and then the higher range. Okay. Uh, generate five random numbers. Okay, that is the aspect. So I'm just asking it to generate five random numbers between two numbers. Okay, and it should be I need it's Python coding. Okay, let us see. It's a very simple, one of the simplest coding in that. I just copy it. I can go to the internet. There is an interpreter over here online. Python compiler is there, and open it. Click here, Control A, delete whatever is there, paste what you have brought from there, and here is a run button. When you click it, it is asking enter the lower range. I will say 45. Press enter key. Then it is asking what is the higher range. 75. See, it is giving 57, 74, 63, 55, and 45. Clear, no? That's it. Okay. So again, you can run it. It will again ask 678. Enter. I will say 900. Then it will generate these many five such random numbers. Code execution successful. Nice, no? So even though you do not know properly what actually it is, it will help you in generating the content. That's it. Okay, so that is HTML, Python coding. Okay. Now about uh, how we can use it for. Uh, I already told about the difference between the ChatGPT 3 and 3.5. Basically, what is the other difference between ChatGPT and Google? Have you thought of it? ChatGPT and Google. In the case of ChatGPT, it is giving direct answers. Whereas Google, when you ask, it is not giving direct answers, but it is giving you links to answers. Again, you will have to open up and then identify the answers. And but there is an advantage for Google. The moment a new website is uploaded on the net, no, the 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 spiders or crawlers of Google will come and collect the information from these websites, okay, so that it gets indexed. That means the data that Google gives is up to date. Whereas in the case of ChatGPT, as I told you earlier, ChatGPT 4 also is trained up to March 2023 only. It is being updated, but gradually that gap between the current information and the updated information, no, will gradually decrease, and you will get an updated chat GPT very soon. You people are going to be very fortunate when it comes up. Okay. So that's it. Now what I will do is I will upload a picture of a graph. Let us see what it says. In this case, here there is a graph somewhere. Yeah, here is a graph. This I would like to upload and ask questions based on that. Can you explain the graph? Or yeah, I am not even saying it's a bar graph. Okay, that's it. So a picture, if it is uploaded, this is what is happening. So you can see what all it is there. No, it identified everything. It even what is there in. I'm just asking what is there in red color. Okay, I will just ask it. I don't know whether it has told. No, what is the bar having red color? Because I wanted to know whether it can understand the color also. It says the bar in red color represents the opinion of library users who believe that e-resources provide up-to-date information to a little extent because only one is there. This is there, but here also it is, yeah, both are there. Both are actually considered to a little extent. Opinion of these people. So it clearly has given even understood. So according to the graph, 62 male users and 2 female users have this opinion. What else you want? Everything it understands and then gives you the proper answer. Okay, so that's it. Now what I will do is 1 second. Let me see. Okay, I will stop here and then I will ask one more thing. I wanted to do a research. Okay, my subject area is English literature. Okay, I wanted to do research on the what is that Shakespearean dramas. Okay, drama. Can you suggest me some good topics on this area? So it says that there are enough and more evolution of tragic heroes in Shakespeare's plays, Shakespeare and the use of supernatural elements, the role of women in Shakespeare's plays. Okay, I will just stop it and ask, can you correlate some of these topics with the current, what is that, current world, I will say. So I just asked evolution of tragic heroes in Shakespeare's play. No, my question is not correct. It didn't understand it. Okay, then it is still contained. So you can even ask for it, correct it, and then get a correct answer. Okay. Out of that, I will stop here and then I will say I wanted to do a research on this topic. I prefer this topic. Okay. Can you provide me a proposal? That is the initial synopsis. Okay. Full stop. I should be able to conduct. I should be able to finish the work in 3 years. Okay. That's it. Let us see. The evolution of tragic heroes in Shakespearean drama, a study of character complexity and human vulnerability. Introduction, it is giving objectives, methodology. The study will employ a combination of textual analysis, historical research, and literary criticism to examine the tragic heroes in Shakespeare's works. The plays will be characterized based on dash 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 work plan, timeline, literature review, how much time you will take. In the year one, you will be doing only literature review, selection of plays, and initial analysis, continued analysis, historical and cultural context, then synthesis of work and conclusion, expected outcome, bibliography. That's it. You can update it later on.